Hiya, so today I want to talk about hair concealers. So basically, if you think about guys or women who have got thinning hair and their scalp is showing through, there are products which will make your hair look thicker and cover up that scalp. So I bought a product called Nanogen. That name sounds amazing, doesn't it? Nanogen. So this is a keratin hair fibre. So basically, if you think about our hair like this, they've got these fibres made of keratin, and our hair is made of keratin, and they stick to your hair and make it look thicker. So it comes in all these different colours, and I paid about £13 on the Nanogen website. So it comes in this little plastic jar, which I notice is not recyclable, so my feedback would be make a version of this that you can recycle. And it's in this kind of talcum powder applicator thing that you just shake onto your hair. So first of all, I bought this and I used it for a couple of days, and it didn't really stick to my hair. Like, it blew off in the wind and it wasn't really any good. So I bought this locking spray, which basically makes the fibres adhere to your hair. It even says it's waterproof and you can go swimming in it. It depends how much you apply, because today it was raining and I did run my hand through my hair and the fibres came out on my hand. So I don't think it's waterproof, but maybe if you put loads on it is. So I paid about £10 for this. It's cheaper from Boots, which is a pharmacy here in the UK, rather than the Nanogen website. And also you don't pay the postage because you can do click and collect. So I got this on boots.com. I was really excited to find out about these kind of products because as some of you may know, I've had a couple of hair transplants which didn't go perfectly well, and I love the idea of having a product which you can just apply, no pain, it's not expensive, and it can boost your confidence and make your hair look thicker. So that's why I really like the idea of this. Really simple to use. So I'm particularly targeting this area here. So I'm going to show you. So this thin wispy area here is where I want to make it look thicker and healthier. So you shake it on like this, and then you pat it with your fingers to blend it in. So that was the first layer. I don't actually think that's enough at all, so I'm going to apply a second lot. As you can see, this powder goes everywhere and it sticks to your scalp. So you've got to kind of move it off your scalp, otherwise it's really obvious that there's something there and it kind of looks like your hair's dirty or you need to wash your hair. So that's the second layer. I still don't think is enough, so I'm going to put a third lot on. So you can probably see this is falling all over my forehead. It's also going on the desk and the floor. It's pretty messy to use. So that's the third layer. So you can see it does, you know, what it says on the tin. It does make your hair look thicker. The only thing is it is so messy. So if you look at my fingernails, and if I just show you how dirty this is, it's really, really messy to use. So I've only had this for a few days, so maybe you get more quicker and cleaner over time when you get used to using this. It also falls on areas you don't necessarily want it to fall on, so it's fallen all in here. So the next thing you do, you take the spray, and it says you apply 4 sprays. The thing about this spray is that it smells like a feminine perfume. I think they should have given it a neutral smell, and it kind of bothers me. It's not a pleasant smell. So this is like a gel spray, really. It makes the hair feel quite stiff, and it will hold it in place, and it will hold the fibres, hopefully, so they won't blow out in the wind. I am pretty happy with it because, as you can see, it conceals your scalp and it does make your hair look thicker. But to me, it's kind of like a product in development. I feel that the applicator needs to be more precise rather than a big wide shaker that is great for maybe large areas on the top and the back, but it's not if you want to be specific. It's way too messy, and the smell of the spray is a woman's perfume. So that would be my feedback, but it seems to do the job, so try it out and see what you think. The next thing I'm testing is this product, which is called the Fidentia Hair Shader Compact Powder, and I bought this on Amazon for £13. So this is basically like makeup, so it's like makeup for your scalp. So it just comes in this compact here, and it comes with a sponge, and you can buy different shades to match your hair. And all you do is you apply this, you press this onto the thinning area of your hair, or if you've got alopecia or bald patch. So with the Nanogen, that had these little hair fibres which make the hair look thicker. With this is only colouring the scalp to disguise thinning areas or bald patches. So it's not exactly the same. This is more like a makeup thing. So application is so much easier than the Nanogen. So you push this into the powder while it's dry, and then you go to the area that you want to disguise, and you just press it onto right into the scalp, like this. So if I go along the front to show you, and this is also recommended for people who colour their hair, and if your grey or your white roots start to show through but you don't want to colour your hair temporarily, you can just put this on. So you can see as I'm going along the hairline, the hair looks thicker straight away. And then the good thing, you just brush away. If you go too low, you just brush it away. So instantly you can see that's a bit too low there. You have to blend it in a little bit maybe with your fingers. But instantly you can see how much thicker that looks. So I just want to show you the sides after I've applied this. And I'll just zoom in a bit closer so you can see it is actually quite natural. For my confidence, it's a huge boost, and it's quite easy and clean to apply compared to the Nanogen. There's a little bit on my fingers, but you literally wash this and it goes away. It doesn't go all over your clothes and the sink and everything. It's really easy to apply. So as well as this area here, I had a FUT hair transplant. So at the back of my head I have a long scar. I'm going to show you the before and after images of this, because this was really effective on that scar as well. So you just take the product and you just press it into the area where the scar or the bald patch is, like this, and you can see it instantly disappears. So you can just put it on any little scars. See, that literally took 2 seconds and it's gone. So the only thing you have to remember is that you don't want to mess up all your sheets, so you need to remember to wash it off before you go to sleep. The last solution I want to discuss is basically a eyebrow pencil. So this is just normal makeup, which I bought for 99p. So what I did with this is I just, on the scar on the back of my head, I literally went along the scar, drawing in downward strokes to kind of to camouflage the scar, and it worked really well. And this stayed in place all day. So to be honest, rather than spending all this money on these kind of other products, you could just do this, but it doesn't work on the front. If you're thinking more about your front hairline, then you need to get a specialised product for it. So yeah, hopefully that has helped. Any questions, please feel free to post them below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.